This video is about how to resolve UTF-8 encoding issue in Jenkins when some characters doesn't show correctly like this or they turn to question mark. Even if you have set the file encoding to UTF-8 in Jenkins JVM configurations but still it doesn't work. So this is basically an agent encoding issue. Simply open Agent Configurations and click on the Advanced button, then add this line. Even this would not make any difference. Then you just need to reconnect your agent after downloading the new jar file. Once your new agent is configured, then execute the test again and see it is now showing tables and rendering the UTF characters properly. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.